So today I made the biggest block city I ever made. This is the biggest block city I ever made. It's so big. Look, I got so many blocks here. Even this blockade. Oopsie. My biggest block city. So yeah guys, that's my whole city. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Also give me comments in the comments. Tell me what your favorite building in this city is. See ya. Bye.